welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Digambar Kamat says new medium of instruction policy by Parrikar is new wine in old bottle. RSS leader Subhash Velinkar not happy with MOI policy of Parrikar. Konkani will suffer with the new medium of instruction policy. Less than 2% students study in Konkani as medium of instruction. Prudent analyzes MOI policy. Six more gold medals for Goa India in Luconia games. Goa's Kajal Verenkar, Desiree Pereira and Shiv Karan Kewat clinched medals in athletics and judo. Casino operators will have to shell out heavy fees for sewage monitoring by Pollution Control Board. No consent to marina project at Sankwal. Four-lane bridge at Mandovi River. Helicopter tourism in coming season. 180 crores for tourism development. CM tells Prudent. And now the news in detail. Goan polity seems a divided house on the medium of instruction policy. While former Chief Minister and Congress MLA Digambar Kamat feels that the new policy is the same as one declared by his regime, his party's state president feels the policy is worse than that of Congress. On the other hand, Goa RSS Chief Subhash Velinkar has taken a stand against the policy.
The echoes of government's new medium of instruction policy do not match, may it be within the Congress or within the BJP and its frontal organizations. Former Chief Minister Digambar Kamat says it is the same as one decided by his regime in 2011.
MOI policy जी पळय डिक्लेअर केल्ली आसा ती पॉलिसी जर पळयली जाल्यार आमच्या सरकारान त्या वेळार जो निर्णय घेतिलो जवळ जवळ त्याच धर्तीचेर ही पॉलिसी आसा. तातूंत व्हडलें कितें बदल आसा अशें म्हाका दिसना. आमी तेन्ना पॉलिसी डिसिजन घेतिल्लें सगळे विचार करून तेन्ना पॉलिसी डिसिजन घेतिल्लें. आमी तें इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक शकलो ना कारण तेन्ना तें चॅलेंज केलें गेलें कोर्टांत इंटरिम स्टे मेळ्ळो ताका. पूण पक्षाच्या मॅनिफेस्टो भितर आमी तेन्ना घाल्लें की आमी सत्तेर आयले जाल्यार तें इम्प्लिमेंट करतले म्हणून.
But his own party state president Jan14 feels contradictory.
पण आमी काल पळयलां हे आमचें धरण न्हय आमी अशें मागून आमी मागलेलें सगळ्यांक दिवचें म्हणून.
Opposition leader Senior Rane hesitates to be clear and vocal on the wrongs in the policy and restricts himself to just saying government should have discussed it in the state assembly.
पयलींच जशें तेंच्यांनी दिल्लें म्हणजे हेचेर एक चर्चा जावंक जाय आसली आनी वेगवेगळे जे विचार आसात ते आयकून घेवंक जाय सरकारान.
चर्चा खंय
असेंब्लीन.
Meanwhile, RSS state leader and educationist Subhash Velinkar is not ready to endorse BJP-led government's policy. He says, "I'm not satisfied with the MOI policy by the CM Manor Parrikar. BBSM will soon convene a meeting and thereafter we will clear our stand on this policy." Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Samir Bhatt from Madgaon for Prudent.
The 2011-12 statistics of Goa government reveals that only 1.82% students were studying in the Konkani after the Digambar Kamat government declared new MOI policy. 135 diocesan and archdiocesan schools converted themselves to English medium due to this decision. The biggest sufferer in the whole bargain was mother tongue Konkani. New initiatives of Goa government, however, have failed to help the Maibas. Not more than 15 new Konkani schools have started in Goa during last 1.5 years.
The cabinet note that government presented before the ministers carried a startling statistics. It proved how Digambar Kamat government and later Manor Parrikar government did more harm than good to the mother tongue Konkani. Prudent analyzed the data and following figures were revealed. Year 2011-2012, students in Konkani 1,627, in Marathi medium 35,000, English medium 51,625 and in other mediums 3,223. English is highest following shifting of minority schools to English medium from Konkani medium. The number of students studying Goa's language Konkani is sadly not more than 2%. Surprisingly, the number of students studying in other languages like Kannada and Urdu is more than the number of students studying in Konkani. Similar is the fate of Konkani schools. Year 2011-2012. Schools: Konkani 58 schools, Marathi 902, English 274 and other 49. Although government boasts of its Konkani friendly policy, not more than 15 schools have started during last 1.5 years. The number of students studying in other language institutions is more than Konkani even when the number of schools in Konkani medium is more than them. Konkani Urdu comparison, year 2011-2012. In Konkani, 1,712. In Urdu, 1,510. Konkani Kannada comparison, in 2011-2012. Konkani 1,712. In Kannada, 1,501. Even if we add 15 more schools to the existing 58, the number is 73, far less than English and Marathi schools. The number of students also much lesser than Marathi and English. Surely, politics of education has taken a toll on my Bhas Konkani. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa, India are sitting pretty at the top of the medals tally with 19 gold, 13 silver and 14 bronze medals after the 6th day of Luconia Games. The hosts bagged 4 gold medals in athletics and 2 in judo on Friday. Goa's Kajal Verinkar clinched a silver medal while Desiree Pereira got the bronze medal. Local judoka Shiv Karan Kewat earned a bronze medal. Portugal dominated judo and have climbed up to 2nd place in the medal tally with 11 gold medals.
It was athletics again, where the hosts collected the most number of gold medals in the day at the beautiful Bambore Athletics Stadium. Sumit Malik raced to victory in 400 meters event, while Anshu MM won the 100 meters hurdles race in the most exciting events of the day.
Be looking as a front runner, but we've seen Whitney Karina and the Mozambique girl also well built, but Achu goes straight into the lead. Karina is fighting it out, so it's Achu versus Karina. Achu versus Karina. Achu has the edge. Will Karina come back in that last bit? No. Achu gets first, Karina Fangola second, and the Mozambique Sylvia Panguana winning the bronze. Sri Lanka make the most of that terrible exchange. India still in the lead, and India is going away with this one from Sri Lanka. And the Indian woman coming up trumps as opposed to the Indian men. And there's the winning team.
Goa's Kajal Verinkar picked up silver medal in shot put.
For Goa, India,
Desiree Pereira clinched the bronze medal.
took it much higher.
Absolutely, Equatorial Guinea and Brazil. Portugal getting the gold. In terms of Salvia Cruz and India, Kajal and Desires getting the bronze and silver respectively.
Kalpana Devi won Goa India's only gold medal in judo on Friday afternoon at the Peda Indoor Stadium. Olympian Garima Chaudhary could only manage to win a silver medal. Goa's Shivkaran Kewat had a bronze medal to show for his efforts after other local judokas had failed to impress. Nandal Manjeet and Rajni Bala also added bronze medals to the hosts' tally. In basketball at Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, Goa India defeated Macau by 110 to 45 points in a one-sided league match. Meanwhile, coach of Goa India football team, Francisco Neto, has no fear of the semi-final opponents, as the Portuguese believes in the talented young players of the home team. Goa India will play Macau in the second semi-final on Sunday at 7 p.m. at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.